Clear. All cameras rolling. Fire at will, Mark. Okay, boss. Clear.
Command, I've found the giant. It's buried deep under 4 centuries of ocean growth. 10 tons of history. Alex, prepare the heavy-duty chains. We're bringing them home.
It's heavy as hell. I'm securing the main shackle now.
Steady.
Keep it steady.
It's coming
Look at
up.
the size of this.
Hold fast. We're almost there. Just keep pulling.
Almost there. Amazing. Touchdown. Welcome back to the world, old friend. There you are. I knew there was gold under all that mud. Bring it to Bay 4. Copy that. Coming in slow. We start the deep restoration tonight. Bring it to Bay 4. We start the deep restoration tonight. God, this thing is brittle.
Structural failure at the breach. This is going to be a nightmare to weld.
We need to cast a new reinforcement ring. Let's prep the furnace.
Heating up to 1100 degrees. We need this bronze liquid smooth.
Steady. Fill it to the brim. Perfect.
Expanding the ring. Once it cools on the breech, it'll never move again.
Old English oak. Only the strongest wood can hold 10 tons of bronze.
Locking the joints. This carriage will outlast us all. Lower it, inch by inch. Watch the trunnions. Oh. She's ready. From the mud of the ocean to the glory of the battlefield once more. Secure the straps. We're taking this legend to the coast.
This is the perfect spot. She was born for this horizon.
Keep it steady, Alex.
Almost there, Mark. Hold it.
Watch the right wheel. Clear. Secure it now.
Five kilograms of high-grade black powder. Enough to wake the dead.
Keep it steady. Give it all you've got. Push.
Solid iron. This is going to make a massive splash.
Keep it steady. Pushing it in now.
Push. Keep it steady.
Well done, Alex.
All right, it's in.
Ready.
Good. Prepare to fire.
Target locked. 500 yards. Let's see if this old dog still bites.
Clear. All cameras rolling. Fire at will, Mark. Okay, boss. Clear.
Oh yeah!
Absolutely perfect.
From a forgotten relic to a golden masterpiece, this is Deep Reborn.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more epic restorations. See you in the next rebirth.